tornado warning. Same areas.
Urgent weather message.
This upgraded really quickly. Like, this storm actually upgraded really quickly. It was from a severe thunderstorm and now it's a tornado.
Northeastern Morrow County, northern Mountain County, northwestern
In Ohio.
or 10 miles east of Mount Gilead, moving east at
I think the storm just created a tropical.
tornado and quarter
I
size
think Soda was right. It did create a tropical.
source. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Belleville around 4:40 p.m. Tornadic thunderstorms include Mohicanville, North Liberty, Perrysville, Waterford, Shaw, Lucas, Gann, and Butler.
That was a short one. Didn't even say the precautionary preparedness actions.
Urgent weather message. Excellent. Hail and damaging wind gusts and perhaps isolated tornadoes. The mean time window looks to be 3 to 6 p.m. Storm motion
Did that really go into the speed? Oh my gosh, it did.
millimeters. Load.
Frick you, rain droplets. I hate you.